Simply put, music can heal people. This was said by a man named Henry Reed, and he was right. Music is just more than lyrics and sounds. It has healing powers. It's like medicine. Music therapy is a thriving method that many people use today. Many people major in it. Many people use it for themselves. I'm going to talk about the history, how it affects our health, and lastly, some of the benefits that come with music therapy. With that, I'm going to start with history. Music first began in the late 18th century, but as far as music used for healing, it dates back to ancient times. Places like Egypt, China, India, Greece, and Rome showed evidence in their biblical sculptures and historical writings on music therapy. It was mostly used around World War I and II. It was used as an intervention to address war injuries to help relieve a lot of pain. While this was happening, doctors and nurses all witnessed the psychological, physiological, cognitive, and emotional states that changed. From there, they learned more about it, making it a therapy. In 1950, a professional organization was formed. It was called the National Association of Music Therapy, NAMT. Then in 1998, NAMT joined forces with another music therapy organization, and that became known as the American Music Therapy Association. With that, I'm going to go to our next point and how it benefits our health, or how it affects our health. Okay. Many people ask the question, how does music affect our body and our health? In Stanford's news service, a lady named Emily, I think it's her last name, wrote in a newspaper about research that was conducted. Music beats are what stimulates the brain, ultimately giving brain waves to resonate rhythm of the music. Slow beats of the brain waves cause more of a hypnosis, meditative states, sleeping. Faster beats give you more alert, critical, concentrated thinking. Also, the change in brainwave activity levels that music can bring can also enable the brain to shift speeds more easily, which means it can bring lasting benefits to your mind. That way, even once you stop listening, you still feel calm. With brainwaves, your breathing becomes more slower, your heart rate decreases, relaxation starts to be activated. But it helps with chronic stress, which is never-ending stress, of a demanding job. This can really have impact on your health. So music helps you relax more. Okay. In cancer news, a woman by the name of Devorah Lane, she informed social workers and radiation techs about benefits of music therapy. So with that, I'm going to inform you guys the benefits that music therapy has. First, music therapy can deal with pregnant women. On a 2008 study conducted by a guy named Chang, music therapy was tested in a control group of 236 healthy women who were pregnant. 116 women received music therapy, listening to half an hour of soothing music twice daily. They showed a significant reduction in stress and anxiety. As seen in women who are pregnant, it can also help with cancer. It can help reduce anxiety in patients. So when they're receiving radiation, you get really, really sick, and this helps ease the vomiting, nausea. And another way it helps, on AMTA website, the American Music Therapy Association, they post a story about a young boy at the age of 4 who was diagnosed with autism. Children born with autism make it difficult to interact with others, communicate verbally. From 4 to 16, William took music baths once or twice a week, and music baths are to the soul as a regular bath is to the body. These music baths were able to help William immerse restless feelings, and after after that, he would see a therapist. And with the therapist and the music bath, he learned how to play instruments and learn life skills. For William, music therapy provided a non-threatening environment in which he was able to build relationships with peers, express himself verbally and non-verbally, and learn to participate socially. And in conclusion, we all learned that music therapy can help us. It helped with pregnancy, cancers, autism. And in Therapy Today, Angela Harrison has said music therapy allows people to discover themselves for what is going underneath, as well as allowing them to express repressed emotions and memories. If verbal communication has shut down, as with autism or a stroke, it's a huge impact on a person's confidence, which in turn affects every aspect